guys, this is my first campaign. I'm so excited. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this makeup brand is called M2uNyc. They told me to pick 2i crayons, so any shade that I want. It was so hard because I didn't know there's a lot of cool options, so I just chose and also I got Crayons Mascara. They chose that one for me, so yeah, I'm just gonna unbox with you. Ooh, okay. Wow, they're chunky, they're big. So the first one is called Electric Blue. So it's this blue one that I chose. Of course, I had to choose a blue one. And the next one is a gold. It's called, I can't see. I think it just says gold, but it's this one. Oh, I should have taken the plastic off, and then the mascara is small. So yeah, okay, so I'm just wanted to share with y'all what a campaign is. This is my first time being in one, so I just feel like sharing in case y'all are interested. So basically you just sign up and you put your information. It depends what it asks, so you just fill it out and then you wait until they send you an email and if you're accepted or not. So that's that. And you basically have to post an Instagram reel, a post, a story, or a TikTok, a video. It depends what they ask, so you just do whatever they ask. So it's different every time, but the one that I'm doing, I don't know if I should share details, but I'm just sharing in general. I'm just gonna say it in general. I'm not gonna say exactly what I have to do because I don't know if I should share, but yeah, that's basically it. And you just have to use certain hashtags, account mentions, the product name, the description, like your discount code, like everything. They basically write, okay, you have to say this or add this, don't forget to blah blah blah, and you do it. And then what else? And you have to do it in a certain time frame, so like 15 days or so. It depends of the campaign. And then all of these products are sent for free, so you don't have to pay. But the cool thing about it is not just PR. So since it's a campaign, you do get paid if people use your code and you help them make sales. Like they can give you like a small percentage of commission, like about 15%, 10. It depends of the company, of course. So yeah. And what else? But yeah, if you're interested in trying this campaign, please tell me and I can send you the link where you can fill out your information. I've even put it like a long time ago or a few weeks ago, a short applying saying apply to this M2uNyc squad application or something. I have like a lot of opportunities that I share on my shorts on YouTube, so please make sure you check it out and fill it out, because maybe you can win some opportunities, like if you just take your time and apply and all that. But this is like my first campaign, the one that I first got accepted, and all the credits goes to the girl that I found on Instagram. I think it's Mariposa Makeup 13, and the other one is Nose by Carly. I forgot. It's because they both send me stuff to try and fill it out so I can get opportunities like them, but I can't remember who sent me this one exactly, but it's either one of those two. They're on Instagram, so yeah, should check both of their pages out. And this campaign, obviously, if you want the link of it, just email me or DM me on Instagram and I'll send it to y'all. So yeah, basically I just wanted to unbox with this one, and I'm gonna try and do a video using these. And yeah, so yeah, I think that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Okay, so I took the plastic off. So this is the gold one. Let me open the cap. I don't want to ruin it. Oops, I ruined it. But it's pretty. So yeah, and then this is the blue one. And then the mascara. So yeah, probably do a dedicated video. I want to take pictures first before I ruin the crayons and all that. But yeah, okay, bye. Hi guys, so this brand is called M2uNyc, and I'm gonna do swatches of their eye crayons and their mascara. Well, I'm not gonna do swatch, but I'm just gonna show you. So the first one is called Gold, I believe. Yes, it's this gold shade. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's pretty. So it looks like this. Very shimmery, very pretty. It's more bronzy to me than gold, or actually both. It's really pretty. Wow, the pigment is there. So okay, so I'm gonna show you the blue one now. This one's called Electric Blue. It's pretty blue. I love this blue. So yeah, they have a lot of shades. It was hard for me to pick, so I just picked these two. So okay, I'm gonna swatch it next to it. Okay, this looks more lighter. Oh, never mind. There we go. So there it is. It says shimmery as well. Wow, it's pretty. Okay. Wow, I like these. I like these. So okay, the next thing is the mascara. Obviously I'm not gonna swatch it, but I'm gonna open it. So, bloop. Oh wow, it's really skinny and long. Okay, I think this is gonna work well for my little beauty lashes. So yeah, I'm excited to use this right now. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.